Hi, this is Jody from Poppywinkle, and today I'm going to do a flip through of this tea party journal. I just put it up for sale in my store. I'll leave a link to that. And I also have digital papers that you can use to make your own, and I'll put a link to those too. And it has a tie closure. It is 6 inches wide and almost 8 3/4 inches high. And the cover is made from fabric and then a layer of interfacing, a thin layer, just to give it a little, I don't know what, it's got a very nice texture. And it's got craft paper inside. So it's pretty solid, very solid, and all the layers are welded together. It has a little book plate. It has 30 of these pages, so if you count the front and back, then it's 60. So it's 3 signatures. Each one has 10 sheets and 20 sides. So 20, 40, 60. This journal is fun because it has lots of secret spots for journaling. And this postcard is one of the first ones, because if you carefully open it up, there's a little page in there where you can write your secrets. Okay, here we have a double pocket and a couple of little doodads here. That's a place you could journal. This you could either journal on it or use it as a bookmark. This has, oh, here's another secret spot. These two are just plain on the back. You could journal on them. But this guy looks like a tag. But if you pull that up, you can journal in there. So there's another secret spot. Plenty of pages for writing. Here's a little fun thing. This is a belly band, but it's also a full page where you can write on it because the belly band flips up. Here, all these little inserts do come with it. Here's another postcard for journaling. And another tag that flips open. Little journaling card. And another little journaling card. Oh, and here's something fun. This is a vellum pocket, which you can put anything you want in, but what I put in for you, if you purchase it, is a little, I don't know what, a little folder full of fun things. Here's a postcard you can decorate. It's just blank on the other side. It has a little stamp there. And some cool paper, some stickers and little doodad things. This is kind of fun. This is a little envelope full of stuff. Little numbers and tickets and stickers and a cool lady. So you can use that to decorate. And here's a bunch of stickers. So you can just totally make this your own. Here are some tabs. If you want, it's got plenty of tabs, but if you want to add some more tabs, there they are. So that's that. And here's a page. Here's a cute little teapot. A little teapot charm on that tab. Some lace, and this page is vellum, printed vellum. This is rice paper that flips down. And then this is the actual page. So that page has some bonus writing area. Here's some more journaling cards. It's a relative of mine. And a cool piece of paper. Actually, it's not. It's a print of a cool piece of paper. Here's another journaling card and a book. A little book to write in. Here are some more journaling cards. Fronts and backs. It's a little specimen slide. Now this lovely lady, you can just pull her out and that could be a secret journaling spot. And you can write on the back, oh, of the postcard. Little tags with, or little tabs with dangles on them. This is just attached with a paper clip, a little pretty paper clip, and it's a couple of journaling cards and a pull down piece of paper. Here's another little book. I think all the pages are coffee dyed. If not all of them, then almost all. So they have a nice feel to them. Here's a belly band and a postcard and a journaling card. Is this oh yep, this is another one. It's hard to tell. So the stamps are all, you can feel them, you know, they're added on. And that's the page in there. Another flip up page, again vellum that I printed on. Here's an envelope, and you can't see what's in it because I covered it. And what's in it is this great paper I got from a cardboard box. It's got very faint lines on it, so it's lined paper, and it's so textury. It's fabulous. Some lace there and a lovely lady. Here's a flip up page which has a pocket on it. Pretty tag. Another journaling card. This is a tuck spot for a postcard, but it also keeps this page closed. So that's a flip out page. Some more writing space. This page has a pocket in it with a couple of little sheets of paper that you can write on. Another journaling card, and here's a long journaling card. There's another envelope with the same kind of insert as the other one. Here's another belly band flip. But this one also has a tag in it that you can write on. Lots of pockets. And of course, you can arrange these any way you want. You can arrange these cards and tags and things. Another belly band. Some journaling cards. Actually, this is a double one. You can put it under there or under there. This is vellum. I don't know if you can see it, but I embossed it. It's very cool. Here are some tags and some little doodads. Violets from my yard. Little specimen slide. Here's an envelope, and this envelope flips up so you can write underneath and even write on here. But it also unties. You can put anything you want in there. I just put a page to write on with a little teapot. Here is a picture that is glued down in the corners, but you can use it for a tuck spot. Little journaling card there. Here's another little booklet with a, what's that called? A little label there. Some rice paper in there. So tons of spots to decorate and write. A little bird cage charm. And the last page, a journaling card. Another journaling card or tag. And this is another one that will open up. So if you have any questions about how I did any of these, I probably have a video about, you know, how I did this kind of card or whatever. So if you have any questions about anything, including making this cover, just leave me a comment and I'll send you a link to the exact video you're asking about. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.